अगर आप यह वीडियो हिंदी में देखना चाहते हैं तो नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिए गए लिंक को क्लिक करिए। In this video, we will show you some ideas for how to use the paper cups to keep your kids busy for long time, and also tells that what kind of advantages your kids can get by these activities. So let's get started. First activity is memory boosting activity. In this activity, take some paper cups and inside one of the cup hide one toy. Tell your kid that I am hiding this toy inside this cup and let her concentrate on that cup. Move the cups. Ask them to recognize the cup under which you have hidden the toy. This activity needs lots of concentration. If your kid is concentrating, then only she or he can find, otherwise they will miss. If your kids are too younger or elder, then you can choose number of cups based on their age. Based on their age or ability, you can also control the movement of glasses or cups.
Here is toy. Like this glass, okay? Now going. Where going? Tell me, Kyra, where is toy?
Time Kyra acts as that she is hiding the toy and we have to find it. In this way also you can keep your kid busy at least. By using the paper glasses, you can teach maths, you can teach actually counting. Like you can ask,
How many glasses? How many glasses?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Now, how many glasses?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Wow! How many glasses?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
How many glasses?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
in the next activity with cups, you can tell them to nesting the
What
cups.
color is this inside?
White.
White. And outside?
You can also talk about color, shape and uses of
Go!
that cups.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Okay, wait.
1, 2.
If your kid already know the counting, then you can move further and you can teach addition, subtraction using that classes. And if your kid is elder, then you can put timer for this nesting of cup. Challenge your kid to competing against the time. You can put 1 minute time or 30 seconds or 40 seconds based on your kid age and ability. Third activity is the constructing tower. For small kids, start less number of blocks tower, then gradually you can increase the number of blocks. This activity kids enjoys a lot and they get lots of satisfaction when they are able to construct tower. Using this activity, kids can learn about hand-eye coordination, balancing. They need to put more concentration. So constructing tower is a good mental plus physical activity. Again, if your kid age is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 years or more than 8 years also, then they can build a tallest tower. If your kid age is 7, 8, 9 year old, then they can build tallest tower. You can challenge your kid either to compete against you or compete against their own best time for constructing the tower with as many as blocks possible. In this way you can keep your kid busy for a very long time, and you can also reduce the screen time of your kid. And if you are busy also, then also they can do by themselves. These paper glasses are very light in weight, very handy and safe to use, and also cheap in price. For elder kids or younger also, you can tell them while constructing tower they should count and they should remember. And for 7-8 year kid, you can tell while constructing the tower, for each row, for each layer, how many number of glasses they are putting, they should remember. You can also tell the kid that every time they should make different types of tower. You can increase the difficulty level, like you can introduce plates in between them, and you can blindfold them, etc. After constructing tower, you can see the satisfaction and happiness on the Kyra's face. These are some ideas for constructing different types of towers. Kids can use their own creativity too to construct the different types of towers. Next and funniest activity is the collapsing tower with the balls. Kyra is collapsing her tower through balls, pom-pom balls. This collapsing activity is not only for their hand-eye coordination, but also it can help to strengthen their hands muscles and make muscles more flexible. Generally, kids enjoy this activity a lot, and you can keep your kid busy for very long time. This is also a good physical activity, and kids' gross motor skills also improve. All physical activities help the kid to sleep for little longer time, because kids get tired. Make sure that kids should not overtired. Kids get tired while doing these physical activities, and they want to relax. And for relaxing, they generally sleep for little more time. So if your kid nap time is very less, so you can increase your kid nap time also. Next activity is the collecting balls and cups. In this way, they can help you to put things back in their place, and they can learn to clean the house too. Generally, kids are very energetic, so sometimes we should use their energy in the positive way, otherwise they will use their own energy in the way they want. Collecting toys after play is very big headache for all the parents, so try to teach them that after playing they should put back their toys in their place. And again, this is a very good physical activity for your kid.
Sit there, go back. Are you ready? Come on.
Next activity is the stop the balls through the paper cups. In this activity, you need to throw the ball towards your kid, and they have to stop the ball through the paper cup. Again, based on their ability and age, you can speed the way to throw the ball towards your kid. If your kid is 7 to 10 years old, then you can throw very fast balls towards your kid. And you can also give them, instead of one cup, you can give them 2 cups on both the hands, and you can tell them to stop the ball. This activity promotes quickness, concentration, and also promotes to use both sides of their body parts and brain to develop lifelong skills. Keeping your kids busy and having fun is very important, and sometimes it's really easy and cheap in cost also. In our upcoming videos, we will share more interesting and cheap in price ideas to keep your kids busy for long time, and to reduce their screen time, and also to help to develop their skills. So if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel, and if you have already done, then keep watching. Thank you so much for watching.